Imagine the allure of fire and earth intertwining, a spectacle of nature's raw power yet strikingly beautiful. Welcome to the Philippines, where active volcanoes are not just geological wonders but also stunning landmarks. First we have Mayon, known for its near-perfect cone shape. A sight to behold, it's the embodiment of both beauty and danger. Next, Taal, the second most active, nestled in a picturesque lake. Despite its history of eruptions, it remains a captivating spectacle. Then there's Bulusan, surrounded by lush forests, a haven for nature lovers. Lastly, Hibok in Camiguin, an island born of fire, a testament to nature's resilience. Active, beautiful, and utterly awe-inspiring, these Philippine volcanoes are a testament to the paradox of destruction and creation. Until next time, keep exploring.